Jeez, that sucked. Fighting that in there. But yeah, look alright. Pretty tight. Alright y'all, check this out. Ran these here wires. Hooked them up with these things. By the way, these things from Lowe's are pieces of shit. Don't buy them. But as a test, I've done ran it. And now, it's super bright and dim. Looks like that was a friggin' success. Awesome. I'm in the bus trying to wire up some puck lights. And got these little goofy. That's my whole 12 volt, 2000 watt inverter with the energy charger. Charge off that there alternator. And when I get the solar panels, it's gonna be charging up that there solar panel and that there alternator. You see? So dual charging. It's real good. And so now got these little wires running up here, going along this here right here. And you won't believe it. I done run me a little switch right there. Got on and off and a dimmer. So that's pretty cool. Right now, the roof right now looks like hammered shut. Pretty soon, it ain't gonna look like hammered shut. That I promise. Dude, it's coming along, dude. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Got one there and two more. Check it out, bruh. I wanna dim these things down? Yeah. They're dim. Alright, I'm going to delete my rear floor radiator heater thing. The hoses have shutoffs. A 5/16. That's off these guys. That was no joke. That sucked. I am not connecting this aluminum tube to that back tube. So I disconnected both these hoses and connected them in the middle right here. Alrighty, these are my coolant lines. Near my diesel heater. They go over and 90 up into the floor. Gushing, dude. Oh. Oh my god. So wet, dude. Wow. Phew. Alright, it's a shitload of hose. Now after taking those hoses off, you're going to lose some coolant. This is a fun little trick you can do. Holding this, you can reach down and squeeze the hose, burp all the air bubbles out of your system. Now to track down these, that goes to that floor heater. Rear heater. Took out the relay, cut the wire. There we go. Oh, Lord. Alright, now I'm going to show you the solar panels up top. Let's go, Sto.
I'm barefooted and it's pretty.
That's my son's gorgeous mullet. Alright, come up there, crazy dude.
Guys, you on the pole over there? How did you get up?
Let's show him the panels, dude. Man, so this is the whole top deck area where we can camp out if we want to. I got two 200-watt solar panels. That is the Starlink unit. This is also an entrance to the inside of the bus as well. Yeah, this is it. This will dual function Stone's bed. It drops down, as I said before. Then you got more storage too. And the seats.
Yeah, I wish I could build a fort in there. And I could fire a lot in there, like.
So yeah, we're gonna be living in this thing in Montana for like 4 months. Leaving June 9th, and yeah, Stony Man,
Yeah.
handsome dude. It'll be him, 2 doggies, and Mama Bear. And I think we're also gonna dual pull with the van as well. So I'll have 2 vehicles for this trip. And yeah, this is it.